Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you a couple new journals that I have in my shop. They are llama themed journals, and they are using the new paper pad from Michaels called Llama Love. Super cute, and I made these journals using old Reader's Digest books. And this is the original cover here. So there's like a black border that's on the spine, and then this is what's that really cool print there. On the spine and the back, I covered it with some vintage fabric that's green and has kind of a reddish pink or peachy color flower on it. I added this really cool pom-pom trim, or tassel trim, I guess it is. Thought that went really well with the llama and its tassels on its necklace here, and the little saddle, I guess. I'm not sure what that's called. Anyway, I made a tassel with a bunch of different ribbons and trims in the fabric, and then I added the tassel trim around the top. Thought that would add really well to it. Really adorable. It is a 2 signature book, and I used the entire cover of that Reader's Digest book, so it's about an inch thick, or a little over an inch thick. I made some ties with some of that fabric, and that is glued in. On the front here, I used a cut apart and sewed it on top of the fabric, and then layered it with another piece of the paper. And this is actually a pocket up here, so you can add a little tag in there, or a journaling card or something like that. So I'll go ahead and open it up here. Now I have this packed with everything that will come with this album. There's a bunch of different journaling cards and cut aparts. I also made a bunch of things, and you'll see that, but I will have in the photos on my Etsy listing, will show all the additional things that are in this book, but I wanted you to be able to see them in the book for the flip through. So super cute. I did lots of stitching throughout the book and tried to make a lot of different kinds of belly bands and tuck spots and things like that. I did some ruffles on that page. There's some vintage music paper. This is from a Packing with a Llama book that I showed in a previous haul. I'll try and find that link, but it's really, I love that book. There's some ledger paper there. Here is a bookmark that I made. You could also use that as a belly band if you wanted to. Some vintage stretchy lace there. Here is another journaling card, and it has a little pocket there. You can have that in there. Here is some grid paper, a Kool-Aid stained doily. This page has a couple pockets that I sewed on, and there are a couple different journaling cards in there. And this page is also a pocket, so I made a little book with some of the paper, just plain paper, and added some of the fabric there. Here's a couple more pocket pages. Super adorable. Has some eyelet lace on that page. Here's a little tiny little page here, and a little tag, journaling tag. This is a library card pocket that I made, and then this is a little journaling card that I stitched, and it'll fit in there. It'll come loose like this so that you can put it anywhere you want it. I just kind of stuck it in on that page. Here's a little bookmark or a belly band if you wanted to use that for a belly band. There's that. Another one of the llama pages there. Here's a little side tuck. And then that's the first signature. Here's that journaling card. Second signature, this has a pocket here, and I made this really big tag or journaling card. It has this cut apart stitched on it, and it is a pocket, so there's a journaling card stuck in there. Let's stick that in there like that. Another belly band. Here's another journaling card I stitched. This has a little pocket at the top with the little tag. Some vintage sheet music. There's a little side tuck there with a couple cards. There's a vintage workbook page. Thought the colors went really well with that. Another one of those llama book pages. It's a side tuck. Here's the middle of that signature, and these are both pocket pages. The other sides here. There's another little tiny pocket with a tag. Some graph paper. Here is a pocket that I stitched up there with the journaling card, and this is also a side pocket. And that is the last page. There's a couple tags. So there will be pictures, as I said, of all of the journaling cards, cut aparts, and things that I made on the individual listings. I've just stuck them in here so you could see them. But that is the ending cover there, and there's the back. So super cute. I have two of these. Let me show you the other one real quick. It's pretty much the same, but it has a slightly different cover. And here's this one. This one I did not stick all the stuff in, but you will get the same goodies to go inside of it. So this one has this pattern on it, but everything else is the same. So yeah, except for I'll show you the llama pages in this one. So this will be book number 1, llama book number 1. There'll be individual listings, llama book number 1, llama book number 2. But I will show you the llama book pages in here so you have an idea. So there's that one. And I will put these pages, I will be sure to have that pictured in the listing so you can tell which one it is. And then of course the workbook pages are different too. So all the different pages will be in the listing. And there's that one. And I'm not sure if I had, yeah, I have a music sheet in here too. That one's memories are made of this. So those are the slightly differences on these. Yeah, so I think these are adorable. So I hope that you go ahead and check out my Etsy link down below for them. I also in a couple of days, I will be listing a Christmas llama book. I only have one of those, but it will be with a Reader's Digest cover as well. And it has some of the llama paper from last year's Christmas at Michael's. So be on the lookout for that. Follow me in my Etsy shop, because then you will be notified whenever I add new things to my shop. I think you favorite the shop is what you do, and you can also favorite listings. And then follow me over on Instagram, because I'm always posting things that I'm working on. If it's something I'm working for my Etsy shop, or if I'm doing a tutorial on my YouTube channel, or, you know, just everyday things that, you know, crafty things, of course. So yeah, I'd love to follow you as well. So go ahead and follow the links for everything. It'll all be down below. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.